Calm is all nature as a resting wheel. Written in 1786, by William Wordsworth. Calm is all nature as a resting wheel. The kine are couched upon the dewy grass, the horse alone, seen dimly as I pass, is cropping audibly his later meal. Dark is the ground, a slumber seems to steal, o'er vale and mountain, and the starless sky. Now, in this blank of things a harmony, home felt, and home created, comes to heal that grief for which the senses still supply fresh food, for only then, when memory is hushed, am I at rest. My friends, restrain those busy cares that would allay my pain, oh? Leave me to myself, nor let me feel the officious touch that makes me droop again.